Welcome. Hi, thank you for joining me here live today. As always, I remain your humble servant, Mary Obaye. I'm totally passionate about success online for small businesses and even personal growth. I want to give a big shout out to all who watched my last live and left wonderful reviews, and thank you for giving me good feedback. Feedback is always good. Thank you once again. Please, if you are joining me live, don't forget to say #live and where you're watching me from. And if you do get to catch this on a replay, don't forget to say #replay and what country you're watching me from. Today I want to talk about one great topic. I'm talking about tools of leverage. If you've been following me on Facebook or any of my other channels, you know for a fact that I love leverage. Leverage is anything like a tool that can help you gain advantage. As you know, we're in the digital age where everything is possible. There are a lot of things going on in the digital space, and so many tools of leverage are being created on a daily basis. I mean, there's so much to keep up with. It's hard. So it's important that you do not lose the opportunity that you see around you. So one of my hey Jessica, thanks for joining. Thank you for being there always. One of my very important tools for leverage is the smartphone. Yes, a smartphone is a super important tool of leverage. This time it's such a wonderful time because there are so many apps, inventions, products, services that are being created on a daily basis to give people more leverage. But if you are not even looking out for leverage or looking out for things that can help you, I mean, you are losing out big time. Many of the abilities many people have for making huge impact on people's lives, on their investments, depending on what side of the spectrum you are looking at it. It's super important that you do make use of the leverage in your space. As an employee, you may be interested in transitioning from an employee to a business owner, and looking for other means of earning additional income. The use of your smartphone is a tool of leverage. Yes, so there are so many tools out there that can be employed actively, even apps and all that. I'm super excited about that, because if you are seeking knowledge, if you are seeking things that you can apply to yourself, your business, look no further. Check online. Like I've said, there are so many apps. There's Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Actually, let me download TikTok, so I had to upgrade my mobile phone to be able to do that. Now I'm not going to be dancing all crazy, but at least I'm going to explore the world of TikTok and see what potential it has for business impact. So please, if you're looking for opportunities in the online space, if you're looking for ways to build leverage, especially with your smartphone, you can send me a message through WhatsApp, Facebook, LinkedIn. I'm trying to be as much as possible on a few channels until I can leverage other new opportunities. So it's important that you do not miss any opportunity this time. Nobody has an excuse. So many people have smartphones nowadays. So you can join a group of like-minded people who are are able to leverage different tools by first building your personal brand. You can reach out to me, send me a message in the comment section, or through my email in the description of this video below. Hey Melvin, thanks for joining. Thank you. All right, so and if you are sending me a message, you can put the word blueprint and I'll see it and understand that you are looking for more tools of leverage. Remember, you are the number one most important project you can ever work on. Till we meet again next week, and I'd like to also ask you to join our webinar tomorrow, okay, where we meet and talk about tools of leverage and work on our personal brand. Reach out to me or check out my Facebook storyline. I'll be sharing the link for the webinar. Till we meet again next week is bye, and don't forget to leverage. Bye bye.